just seemed as though they were not related at all, but this is the problem. You just want the bike to slide there.
This one here, and it...
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 pounds worth of damage. That's how easy it is. A poor unnaturally fixed when he picks himself up. Just watch the body language. First and foremost, self-preservation. I'm fine. Then he sees the bike, and now all his Christmases have just ended at that point. Look at the body language. You can see the bike in component pieces. I think, and then it just seemed as though they were not related at all, but this is the problem. You just want the bike to slide there.
This one here, and it...
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 pounds worth of damage. That's how easy it is. A poor unnaturally fixed when he picks himself up. Just watch the body language. First and foremost, self-preservation. I'm fine. Then he sees the bike, and now all his Christmases have just ended at that point. Look at the body language. You can see the bike in component pieces.